Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. This is very important topic today. We are discuss F&B service definition कि जिस डिपार्टमेंट में जिस जगह पे हम काम कर रहे हैं फूड एंड बेवरेज सर्विसेज डेफिनेशन क्या है F&B सर्विस definition. Food and beverage services can be broadly defined as the process of preparing, presenting, and serving of food and beverage to the customer. F&B service can be of the following two types: on premises and off premise. On premise, food is delivered where it is prepared. The customer visit the premises to avail the food service. The premises are kept well equipped and well finished to attract customers to overall F&B service. For example, restaurants, clubs, and other off premises यानी ऑल्टो। एक तो प्रोमिसेस हो गया कि बिल्डिंग के अंदर किसी लोकेशन में आपने सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कर। ऑफ प्रोमिसेस ऑल्टो like catering. Now, this kind of service, including particular cooking, preparation, and service at the customer's premises, it is provided away from the F&B service provider based on the question of major event which will call of large number of customers. Off premises का क्या है कि आउटडोर, जिस तरह आपका कोई इवेंट 200-300 बंदे का है तो आउटडोर जो है वो आपकी कैटरिंग जा रही है, वहाँ पे स्टाफ जा रहा है वहाँ पे सर्विसेज के लिए, तो वो क्या है ऑफ प्रोमिसेस। ऑन प्रोमिसेस क्या है, बिल्डिंग के अंदर जिस लोकेशन में जिस रेस्टोरेंट में हम काम कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे कस्टमर की जो सर्विसेज हो रही हैं, ये है ऑन प्रोमिसेस। तो ये थी डेफिनेशन F&B सर्विस डेफिनेशन। F&B सर्विस डेफिनेशन क्या है? Food and beverage services can be broadly defined as the process of preparing, presenting, and serving of food and beverage to the customer. F&B service can be the following two types: on premises and off premises. This is the type of services inside and outside. The types of F&B service operations can. There are two broad types of F&B service operation. Type of F&B service operation. There are two broad types of F&B service operation: commercial or non-commercial. Commercial क्या है जी? In this case, F&B service is the primary businesses. The most known commercial catering establishment or hotels, all kinds of restaurants, lodges, caterings, pubs, clubs and bars. ये commercial में आता है। Non-commercial operation or secondary business. Non-commercial operation or secondary business in alliances with the main business. These F&B services mainly cater to their consumer with the limited choice of the food and beverage. These establishments often run under the contractors. For example, food and beverage services provided at hospitals, hostels, commercial and non-commercial type of F&B service separation क्या है? There are two both types of F&B service separation, commercial और non-commercial. इसकी तफसील काफ़ी लेंथी है, वीडियो ज़्यादा लेंथी हो जाती है तो बाद दोस्त कहते हैं जी वीडियो आप बहुत लेंथी बनाते हो, तो वीडियो थोड़ा शॉर्ट बनाया करें. तो दिस इज़ ए वेरी लेंथी टॉपिक. इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. उस वक्त के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़. थैंक यू.